this video we're going to show you how to import your bank statement transactions into Xero. This is the method where we log on to our online banking and we download the latest bank statement or the latest transactions for a particular period to a file such as Excel or CSV. This isn't where we connect our Xero account to our bank account and have them communicate to each other themselves. So to import a bank statement, I have gone and got an example statement here. So if we imagine that I've been onto my online account and I've downloaded the August transactions, and we've got some usual things on here. So we've got the date in one column, the income and expenditure in the other, and a few bank statement transaction details such as Vodafone and rent and Microsoft Office, etc. So to do this, we go to our Xero dashboard and we click on accounts and then bank accounts, and then we scroll down to the bank account we wish to import transactions into and click on this manage account button at the right hand side. Once in here, we can then import a statement. And then Xero is just going to walk you through a few things saying, oh yeah, you can download these particular file types. Here's some examples of them. You can even download a template. So if you can't, for some reason, download your statements to an Excel file or one of these formats, at least you've got a template that you can open up and copy and paste data into. But as mentioned, I've already downloaded a bank statement, so I'm going to click on the Browse button and then click on my desktop where the statement is. And that will then allow Xero to upload it, which it has. So if we just click on the import button right now, what that's going to do is Xero is going to go away, read the data, and then basically bring all those transactions in. And as you can see, it said 14 statement lines were imported, 0 were duplicates, so it's looking out for any crossover. So if you perhaps, I don't know, if you download them weekly and you'd accidentally put a Thursday instead of the Friday, and therefore you're going to duplicate some transactions, Xero would look out for that. But then basically what it is, it's imported the 14 and here they are. These are the transactions that were on the statement, and this side of the screen is what Xero intends to do with those transactions. Now in a previous video we talked about bank rules, and a great example of that was Vodafone. So here we had the Vodafone payment coming out of the bank for £79.95 on the 1st of August. And the bank rule that Xero's managed to find was a rule that said, if I ever find Vodafone, would you like me to post it to telephone and claim 20%? All we have to do really then is say, yep, I'm absolutely fine with that. So we just click OK, and that's that transaction gone. Here is another. So the rule will say every time you find the word rent in the description, please post that to rent and claim 20% VAT. So Xero's just asking me here, am I okay to post this for you? Click OK. That's it. It's gone. Similarly with Microsoft Office, every time I find the word or the phrase Microsoft Office on my bank statement, go ahead and post it to IT software and claim 20% VAT. Am I okay to post this? You click OK. And you sort of start getting the idea now of how things actually go and get imported. Just to give you a heads up, the items where nothing's happened is basically because Xero doesn't know what to do with it. This happens, for example, where you've paid a number of suppliers straight out the bank, and that's just perhaps come in as a one-liner for this amount. It's come in as template 1, so that might be paying off a number of suppliers. So we have to go into here and start doing that manually. But you'll notice here some of these green items. This is where Xero sort of had a look at the income, and it says, I can see there's a customer that's giving you £500. I can actually find an outstanding sales invoice for £500. Is this the same thing? And if it is, we can click OK in that instance. And similarly with suppliers, it's saying I can see you've paid £495 into the bank account. So do you want to click and match this to this particular invoice here? We can click OK. So that's basically it for importing a bank statement. Hope that's helped, guys, but if not, please feel free to get in touch and let us know if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching.